Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to talk about acrylic visors. But before we move on to that subject, I hope everyone's staying indoors, staying safe, using sanitizer whenever possible, and overall maintaining a good personal hygiene. These are some trying times, and we from jbautomotive.com hope you all remain safe. Now, what is the benefit of visor, or why do you need a visor? Visors work in a couple of ways. One, they improve the aerodynamics of your bike. Two, they also protect the rider from dust, rubble, rain, etc. Overall, giving you a more comfortable ride. In India, most brands sell acrylic visors. Why? Because they're ergonomic, they're lightweight, and they're pretty easy to install. And we have some similar ones here. Visors help in diverting hot and dry air in the summer and cold and wet, turbulent air during the winter. Whenever you are riding, going long, you must have felt the wind blast on your body. That sometimes gives you backache, sometimes your neck ache, sometimes your arms ache. Visor deflects that air or that wind blast or drag onto your body, which is hitting your chest and face, reducing your back pain, reducing your arm pain, and giving you a very comfortable ride. We have visors over here for a number of vehicles. We have some for example, for the Gixxer SF 150 and 250, for the new Dominar, for the MT15, for the KTM, all the variants 125 to 390, and for the R15 V3. The visors that we have are, like I said, acrylic, they're economic, they are very high quality plastic, and they are OE fitting. OE fitting is nothing but you don't have to find different mounts for these visors. They go on the original fitting that comes manufactured from the company. Some visors come flat, some visors come tall, some visors come short, some visors come with a double bubble. A double bubble is nothing but designed to cut more wind. So are you guys ready? Alright, then let's take a look at some of these visors. These visors can be found at JBR Automotive JC Road and on our website.